Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to combine bodies. So we'll create new drawing and you can go into part design, click create body, create sketch. I will choose top plan. For the first body, I will draw rectangle, click close and then use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now you can create body again. So in here we have two body. I will create sketch and choose top plan. Draw again like a rectangle, click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to combine between these two objects, we can go to manipulator tool and you can click this icon, click again to show for the line tools. Next you can select the object. I will select from this edge, okay, into here, and then you can click these icons to combine or moving the object like this. So I will click again at this edge or point in it, and the second point you can click again to move. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD tutorial how to combine bodies with manipulator tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.